Welcome. If you are looking for downloaded files in your Xiaomi Redmi 6A, I'm going to show you where you can find it. So for the first, let's open the browser. And right now we can go for the picture. Maybe we can take a picture of Justin Timberlake. Go for the graphical, just go straight for this photo. Click and hold. Tap on the download. Click continue. Click allow. And right now we can go back to our home screen. And we are going to check where it is. So it will be probably in the file manager, in the download section. And tap on the downloads. And yes, right here we get the photo of the Justin Timberlake. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.